What's up, Uber gang? I'm about to start Ubering. It's a Friday. I hope it's going to be popping. And I'm in the DMV area. I'm going to be going up to, I think like Tyson's, Arlington area. Because the first time I did it, which was last week, I only did 2 rides, but it was like one right after the other. But if you're not in the Facebook group, it's called like Uber/Lyft Hustle Gang or something. The bearded Uber guys started that group. And great place to be if you need to have any questions or whatever about Uber, Lyft, whatever. But I'm about to get my hustle on. I just got off work, but I'm about to go start Ubering, and we'll see. I'm gonna do a challenge, kind of unorthodox maybe. I'm gonna see how long I can Uber today. I think you can. The maximum is 11 hours, so let's just see how much I make. Hey, Bailey.
Yes.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. Alright. Can I get out this way?
Yep.
Sweet. And do you have enough room behind me?
Oh yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Thank you. Bailey, you might want to move yours.
Yeah, sorry, I just have long legs.
No worries. I'm
Checking in with you, Uber gang. It's been about an hour and a half. I made $31 so far, and then in 3 rides. And so I'm heading up in the Crystal City area. So I'm gonna just keep rocking it. So I'll check back in with you guys in a little while. See ya. What's up, guys? I'm about 3.5 hours into it, and just dropped off my, I don't know, 5th or 6th ride, and I messed up this time. I could have made some good paper, some good money, but I took one wrong exit, and it just screwed everything up because I was gonna take this person to meet up with their friends to go to the Nationals game tonight, and then she was gonna call call an Uber, and I would be right there to take them to the game once we got to the place. So I would have had 2 trips back to back guaranteed, but one wrong turn, got stuck in hella traffic. So that's on me. I have offered to throw some money back, and we're gonna figure that out. So yeah, make sure you don't miss any turns, because it could screw the whole thing up. So anyways, I'm not gonna get down on myself. I'm just gonna keep rolling, and I think Uber you can drive for 11 hours straight. So I'm just gonna keep going. We're gonna see where this goes. So hit you into another update here pretty soon. Hey, how you doing, Jason?
Thanks, big guy.
Yeah, so the app was putting you over there. I'm I don't see anybody over there.
Nah, dude, I'm sitting there looking at my phone, watching it bounce around. Harlan?
Yeah.
Jason, appreciate it, man.
Yeah, nice to meet you, man.
I've actually got 2 stops. I've got 1,300 and 1,400.
Okay.
Gotta.
So yeah, you check out clubs and.
Yeah, my card. I do their business development for them and their social media stuff, and
Okay.
Every once in a while I have to.
Cool.
Oh yeah. I come out here and see how the market's doing, what they can do better and whatnot, and it's cool. I mean, I haven't really hung out at a club in forever, but it's a new client.
Yeah, I'm not getting it. Do you just want me to just take you over there? Just since we're right here? I don't want you to be waiting here for a while. Okay. I'll put in a ways. And what was it again?
It's a pretty cool setup.
Yeah, what they got going on there?
So it looks like a good crowd, young crowd, and what have you. And no sneakers, no. It's ironic. The other spot, I mean, I don't know, potentially they might have more people.
Okay.
But those people don't spend as much.
Oh, okay.
And so
So, but here they spend a little more?
Oh yeah, I mean they're offended if a drink doesn't cost $12 or more. Another thing I haven't gotten used to. People just walking the street.
Yeah. Yeah, I always gotta look out for it. think if you're like in the Uber, it would be like, hey, it's right here.
What's funny is like there were 5 cancellations. So there were 5 different people who were just apparently in the area.
Yeah. Checking in for the last time, Uber squad. Man, I'm tired. So, end of the night, I went for 9 hours, 35 minutes. Couldn't quite make it to that 11-hour mark before Uber makes you go offline. But almost got there. Did 15 trips. And I'm trying to get to 50 because then I can get the Bearded Uber guy paid. Because it's first 50 rides, then he gets paid. I might also get paid because I used his Uber invite code. We'll see. Either way, I'm going to get him paid. Oh, sorry. So tired, I don't know where the GoPro's facing. So yeah, made 138 big Scoobies, big bucks. And that's pretty good. So yeah, this is going to be a long ride to try to earn back the purchase price of this possible Doho I'm sitting in. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next Uber hustle day/night kind of video. See you later.